Hello, travelers. I'm Wheelchair Jimmy, and I'm rolling through Chicago today. I stopped at the Hotel Indigo on North Dearborn Parkway. This is a very nice, bright, cheerful boutique located just north of Chicago in Lincoln Park, and it's very wheelchair accessible. It has 165 rooms. There are 5 wheelchair accessible rooms and 5 roll-in showers. Now, when you come in here, it's valet-only parking, and really the best route here. There is some street parking, but valet is the way to go at the Indigo. Now, when you come in from the street level, it's straight in. There are no steps. You come in. There's a very nice, comfortable lobby, a lot of chairs to lounge around. They have a restaurant and a bar. Everything very accessible. No steps. If you want to go to the restroom, it's on the lower level via the elevator, but it is not wheelchair accessible. Now, when you stay here, when you go up to the rooms, and I stayed here, the rooms are very large, larger than most regular hotel rooms. The bathrooms were very large, accessible, brightly colored paint. I could smell the paint. It must have been recently, my room must have been recently repainted, but it was very comfortable. Now, the roll-in shower was simply a stall. There was no pull-down bench seat. There was no seat whatsoever. On the WJAR index, well, the Hotel Indigo, it gets a 3. It's a very nice, comfortable hotel. I really enjoyed myself here, and it's my favorite Lincoln Park hotel. Roll on, America.